So that's it. I can't really smell right now. So, but if somebody's here, for sure, you can smell this.
I think all your friends should know you're a pain in the neck. Like that.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is I don't know what time it is. I think it's almost or 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock already. This room is so different from the other room because the window here, the light is all coming in, and from that other window right there, you see that? Yeah. So that's why. And I wake up so early, and the dog of our neighbor is keep barking, and it's okay, I'm used to that. I don't have any problem dog barking unless if being annoyed like my Roxy and Misty. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning again, guys. I'm just gonna open these curtains. Yeah, these curtains. This curtain rug that lined up over there, I need to have something over there to hold it because it's coming down in the middle. Turn the light on, and I'm going to just turn my laptop on. I'm just going to watch a movie because last night I shut it off early because I decided just to close my eyes. I want the room to smell good, so I will turn the air conditioning, but I'm gonna put the temperature a little bit higher, that it won't get really chilly out, cold here. So 69, that's good because the inside right now it's 55, 75. This is a rotisserie. This is a very convenient and very good rotisserie, guys. It's Showtime rotisserie and barbecue. It is really, you see me doing this for a pork, kind of like we're having a lechon. But anyway, my mother-in-law got this, and so we have a lot of space for this because we have a lot of cabinets. But for the meantime, you know, we need to clean up the cabinet. Chicken, I still have bread for snacks though. Chicken, it's 3 pieces. I probably eat 2 of that. And this one, I am going to transfer this bread to a Ziploc bag. Let me, what can I drink in here? There is iced tea over there too. Look, iced tea, beer, water. I don't know. I have water upstairs. I probably just drink that. And I'm just gonna sit down, relax, take my Midol because I'm feeling the pain. So I'll see you later. I'm planning to make some eggplant before this egg hopefully it's still good because it's a waste of money if it's doing bad. Let's check it. It's still fine. And I need onion. And what else? A lot of garlic. A lot of garlic. Oh, my garlic is bad already, look. Ay. I don't really need to cook that, but I need to do it before I go. But oh, we have ice cream, so I probably have this tonight. I don't know if I should. You guys know that we bought some ice cream. My husband get this chocolate fudge brownie ice cream, this one here. I am making some small dried fish. I forget the name. This is the one that you guys see with my friends that we bought in Asian store in Queens. Yeah, so but I opened the window, guys. Little oil, let it cook for a few minutes, and then this is almost done. So that's it. I can't really smell right now. So, but if somebody's here, for sure, you can smell this. So this is done, I think. Yeah, it's kind of really brown now. You can't really tell in the camera. But yeah, so I'm having this fishy thing. This is my dinner, guys. I'm going to have dinner and yeah, so this is my plate. I just use this small plate. I don't even want to use paper plate. Just keep wasting. And I have this one is the vinegar, the sokang pinakurat. And I have this also, this eggplant right here. Let me get some. I'm just gonna use my hand. I wash my hand, guys. So this for now, this is what the thing here, because I don't have anything like divider in there. So yeah, dinner. This is gonna be so yummers, guys. Mm, so good. Right now, I'm just going to relax here and wait for my husband to call me. Probably he's busy feeding the dog, cooking, feeding his mother. And that's why he's routine every Wednesday now. I'm the one who's supposedly doing it, but I can't. I'm here. And I'm just gonna listen some music or listen some shows and then do Facebook and also YouTube. Good morning, guys. It's just ridiculous. I'm just trying to clear up the thing here. Yeah, I'm gonna make some egg. Let me put the egg over here. Boiling water here. Egg right there. All the time I drop egg to the ground, to the floor. All the time. I charge the ring. This one here. It's a doorbell ring. And the black one over here, that's the camera. And this is where you press the button. Yeah, so I got this from, I think I told you this, but it was a long time ago. I think Tommy's birthday or Christmas. I think it's his birthday. I think it's birthday. I got this from, it's a website. They send me magazine all the time. He never used it because he doesn't want to use it in the other house. He want to use it here. So probably I got this last year. Yeah, it called Ring Video Doorbell, this one. And this is the guidebook. And this is all the thing where you connect it right here in the back. This one here. This is where, you know, all that stuff going on. But I try to do like sign thing, like heart and then N, and then N, and it's like, you know, that over there. The one that I like the most is, I don't know where it is. This one right here. There. But if ever I like this one too, I like this one. Look at this. My husband and I never even tried this one. It's coriander ginseng candy. Let me try this anyway. While I'm here, we get this in Asian store. We get few that I throw the one that out, the one that's dried fish, because for sure me and my husband won't eat that. It's not cooked dried fish kind of candy. But yeah, so that doesn't say anything, only the coriander ginseng candy. Let me try it on. Try this on. Hopefully it's good, guys. It's a individual pack. And oh my god, it's so strong. You know what? It smells like, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm sorry. It's sweet. but it smells different. It's kind of freaky that somebody's watching me. Hi, Alan and his mother. He keeps seeing leftover. We keep eating leftover. If there is leftover, we eat leftover. Why we throw it out? You know, people just keep, especially him. He just keep cooking. He's outside. He just keep cooking, even though the refrigerator you can't fit nothing because there's a lot of food there. Verizon, oh. Verizon, doesn't even do nothing. We don't know if there's water here. We're gonna wiggle in this truck. Oh my god.